Alright, I promised you guys that this time we would be doing a normal video. So let's do a normal video, shall we? Alright everybody, welcome back to Gadget Conquest, and today we are looking at this. This is the AfterShokz OpenMove bone conduction headphones? Headphones. We'll say headphones. And yeah, I don't normally like to cover stuff like this because it's kind of gimmicky, but because these are sold at a retail store, I actually found these at Best Buy. In fact, they had 3 different models of bone conduction headphones. I kind of had to take it a little bit more seriously because that means that it's a little bit more in the public eye. And so I decided to buy one. This is the lowest end model. It was on sale for $50 or I think it was $59.99. I think it was $60. The highest end model I think was like $120 or something like that. So let's check these out. Let's see if they're any good, shall we? You know what I didn't bring? My knife. Found it. Okay. Let's get this open. This looks like plastic here, so let's open it like, no. I don't know. We'll just, there you go. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, so plastic wrap, put that off to the side, and let's see what we have on the box. So it looks like headphones are front and center. We've also got an image, a profile of the headphones on either side. What does this say on the back? We've got a 2-year warranty. It says Bluetooth. The color is slate gray. Looks like a combination of black and gray. Open ear design. I mean, they're bone conduction. Obviously, they're going to be open ear. It says premium pitch 2.0 stereo sound. We'll see how that is. 6 hours of music and calls, which that's not that much, is it? That's about the same as some wireless in-ear buds. Secure titanium fit. Okay, if it really is titanium, that'd be cool. USB-C charging. Always happy to see that. And IP55 sweat resistant. 55 is not a very good rating, honestly. They could have done better. IP67 is not that hard to get for a device like this. So it looks like it just has a little tab. Pull the tab up, move the plastic out of the way, and then there's actually another tab here. Ooh, this actually feels kind of nice. Pull that tab, and headphones come out just like that. All right, immediately get to the headphones. That's cool. All right, so let's get that out of the way for a second, and let's see what's under here. Okay, that comes out, and then below we have this piece, says accessories. So we're gonna pull this out. Oh, this entire section comes out like a box. All right, I see what you got. Opens up here, and we've got a few things in here. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, hello. All right, so we've got some earplugs. Interesting. These are, I am assuming, supposed to be reusable earplugs. How do you open this thing? There we go. So just some foam earplugs. They don't seem to be anything special, honestly. They're kind of cool looking. Put that off to the side. What else do we have here? We've got a, looks like a quick start. It does not say quick start on it, but it looks like a quick start. It says press the plus button for 2 seconds and a blue LED will blink. That means that the headset is on. And if you press it for 2 seconds again and a red LED blinks, that means it is off, okay? All right. And then it says for Bluetooth connection, when it's off, press and hold the plus button for 5 seconds until the Bluetooth indicator blinks blue and red. Okay, that seems pretty simple. What else do we have here? We have warranty information and, geez, what is it? This is the user guide. Okay, it's in a few different languages. There's not actually that much to it. It's just telling you all the buttons and where the charging port is. And then we have, assuming this is the charging cable, let's see what kind of cable it came with. All right, USB A to C cable. Pretty short cable, but I guess it's all right. I mean, they're headphones, you're not gonna use it while it's plugged in. Did not come with a wall wart, so thanks, Apple. And we've got a little carrying bag here. It seems like a water-resistant bag, maybe. I mean, these are tiny, so. All right. Anyway, what's this? A warranty card, 2-year warranty card. Interesting. So here we have the headphones. Ooh, we gotta peel. Where is it? There you go. Wow, that was quiet. And one more. There we go. All right, now we're good. So let's look at these. Let's see. We've got microphones on the outside here. According to this, it has 2 microphones. So, and it seems, oh, there's the magnets for the drivers on the. It's actually sticking together with the magnets. That's interesting. I'm assuming most of the processing in the battery is here. The right side has the charging port. Also has the plus button and the minus button. Looks like the plus button is also the power button, which we did read on the quick start. Let's see if we can get this thing paired to my phone, shall we? Boop, boop, boop. All right, so it said turn it on and hold until it starts blinking red and blue. It is blinking red and blue. Let's see if we can find it. All right, it's showing up on my phone as OpenMove by AfterShokz. So we'll go ahead and connect to that. Yeah, okay. All right, and it's connected. It vibrated when I connected to it, so that should be good to go. And let's see how these fit. All right. So the connection was pretty simple. And let's see, just go over the ears like that. And they should go on your, oh, this has a button right here. When I click it, it beeps, but I'm not really sure what it's for. What does it say? It doesn't say anything. I'm assuming it's probably a play pause button. So I'll play some music and we'll see how that works. But first, let's talk about the fit. It's not uncomfortable, but it does feel weird. It's not comfortable. It's a strange feeling. You could definitely get used to it, but I don't know. It's kind of odd. I'm definitely not used to it, especially having something like right there on the side of my head. Hello, kitty. Let's see how well it sticks. All right, it does not move. So you could definitely wear this to work out, which would be good, especially if you work out with other people. Say you want to actually be heard, or you don't have the money for those, what is it, the Beats Pro wireless or whatever that are like wrap around your ear but are super expensive. So these are relatively cheap. Now, bone conduction usually sounds pretty bad. So let's see how this does. I'm gonna do it a favor and I'm gonna pull up a song on Tidal so it has the best chance to do well. And if it still doesn't do well, well, that's just how bone conduction is, honestly. So let's see. Email or username, right? Continue. Okay, Tidal will not let me log in. Maybe if I go in with Facebook. I honestly can't remember how I sign in with Tidal, so. Okay, it was not Facebook. It was not Facebook. Yes, continue. Okay, cool, here we go. All right, so let's play a song. The Middle by Jimmy Eat World, sure. Play. Okay, and All right, I'm at max volume. That's okay. So all right. So it doesn't sound bad. It actually doesn't sound bad. I was expecting it to sound way worse. It's still weird though. You can hear them very well. They're open ear. You can hear them really well even when you take them off. But, oh, actually, let's see if this is a play pause button. Yes, this was a play pause button. Cool. So you can hear them really well even when you take them off. However, at max volume, like full blast, it still wasn't very loud. And it more just was extra shaky on my head, which if I'm working out, it's not that big of a deal. I could definitely see myself dealing with it. But with the volume lowered, it's so quiet. And actually, I don't even, where are the buttons? Where the heck are the buttons? Oh, they're on that one. Okay, okay, volume is over here. So what do I have volume at? I have volume about 2/3, and I would say this is the most comfortable listening. It's pretty clear. It's still kind of muffled, which makes sense because it's not exactly going directly into your ears, you know? But actually it's still pretty clear. It sounds pretty good. I'll probably try to use these for like a week and see how it goes, but I don't know. I don't have my hopes up. They'll probably do really well if I'm working out, actually, because of the fact that they hold on really well and I can still hear everything around me. So maybe I'll wear them to the gym this week and see how it goes. Normally I wear my AirPod Pros. But I don't know. This one's kind of iffy for me. The price isn't bad at $60. That is the on sale price though. So it's really kind of, this one's a little of a subjective one. I'm not going to say it's terrible. I'm not going to say it's great. It's kind of in the middle ground, and I'm going to leave it up to you guys to decide whether or not you think it's worth it based on how you would use it. I'm going to try to use it at the gym and see how that goes. Maybe I'll try using it at work, although it does bleed sound a little bit, so that might get annoying to my coworkers. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll find out. You guys will find out. I don't really have anything more to say about that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh! Okay. Anyway, I will be doing videos on the new Sony WF-1000XM4s. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can... Oh, that's my AC turning on. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see that. And I will be doing a video on the Amazon Echo Show 10, which Amazon released. Looks really cool. I'm very interested in doing that one as well. So I will be doing videos on those in the coming weeks. Don't forget to subscribe to watch those videos. And that's all I have for you. Don't forget to like. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. Seriously, subscribe. Have a good night. Have a good week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.